every company has two kinds of employee. One who work really very hard, and second who looks like they are working very hard. Guess what kind of employee am I?
Second category.
By the way, we all are the corporate buddies in one family, right? So today, contest chair, chief judge, and fellow Toastmasters. Just remember Indian curry. There is a one ingredient which was added at the last. But boss said, wow, amazing. It was added when the dish was almost prepared. Ladies, almost prepared. And boss said, what an amazing work, Rahul. What a great job, Militia. And the person who is working from start to end, grinding, cooked, and nowhere. So I love that pose. Just can you guess that Indian name? Anyone? Oh, you guys are very well known.
Yeah.
I love this. Smell it just. Any vegetable over it and it's fresh. You know, today I just ordered from the Blinkit. Make it fresh. So that you guys get the feeling of this taste. Today, it's a very deep topic. Without working, we need money, scores, everything, right? So I was analyzing those people, how they work, what actually they do. So I will present a small hacks, tactics, because we are all one family. Someone said, right? We are all part of one family. I will share all those hacks, but believe, do not share outside of it. The rule number 1. Whenever boss start coming towards you, maybe from the door, maybe from this side, any side. Either you are just deleting an email or just making some free emotional space. But my friend Green Coriander, Mr. Rahul, is on the reach on the next level. He opens the Excel and stares it intensely. And after 10 seconds, performance. Art is the art which pays off to Rahul. Green Coriander pays off because of it. I was watching cricket highlights and my boss got me. And he said, I said, I am analyzing teamwork, performance under pressure, how they are performing. So say, okay. And just last Sunday, our women's make us pride. They picked up the trophy. It really gives me goosebumps. Next Monday, I approached him. Boss, see, my analysis pays off. And boss, okay. Same passion I want in this project report, Gaurav. Same passion. I don't know. My project report, how can give same passion to India team and the World Cup? I don't know. But I am very good in one Olympics. Whenever someone except my boss assigns a task, I immediately looked one, category 1, and telling him, I am escaping. Now you are the victim. Second, if he doesn't respond on it, I will look again and then said, referring to the last email. You didn't get time to read it. And if this was also not work, then our best gentle reminder. Corporate praise. Sweet. Clap. If it doesn't also work, then second gentle reminder 2. Warning. This time I will put your manager in this 2. समझ गए? And then maybe the first employee, sure, look on the update 2. Then this is a professional kind of image which we listen in many of the reels. Update 2. So we need to say just 5 words. NOTED, noted. Professional image recorded. And the last, beautifully closed. Best regards. Never ever email me again. Okay? Closed. My boss said a lot of lot of these emails are ongoing. What is actually the project report is? I said, boss, project report, nothing. But how to present it brilliantly, I am telling you here. Sir, it is in finalizing phase. Just thinking the cross-functional strategies, I will present. Okay. Yeah. But actually it's a ghanta. No one knows where it is going to land. At the last, this stage, like in Toastmaster, your boss is also like the performance. In human speech, we are seeing a lot of performances here. So boss also likes the performance. Meeting. Whenever meeting, always these 2 minutes late. Not like Toastmaster 7 minutes. Not like 7 minutes. Always 2-3 minutes late so that the person get evaluated. You are busy person, right? Occupied somewhere. Always end the meeting with something like Toastmaster. Very well. Lady and other person did it. Said something. Then lastly I did. What I said? Okay, let's connect offline. And after that, I was on the lunch for the 2 hours. So friends, it is about all those journey I was experiencing, analyzing lot of many things. There are the things, but I realized there is no need to be genius in the top scorer. You just need to be candid, right? Do well what you like and ensure you feel yourself happy at the workplace. If you're happy, you're joyful, no one ever need any smile from you. You're always smiling. And if your boss asks, what are you smiling? Sir, I was just garnishing the productivity over the project. Right? So at the end, I will say joy is the final key. It doesn't have any lies. Thank you. What is it?